Guys, I will show you how to join the virtual class of Nielit. Just type in or key in the ID given to you, and you will find login here in the right corner. And just key in the ID given to you or username without the last part @gmail.com, and key in your password. And log in. Here is home, dashboard, events, or my course. Go to my course. You will find your batch here or your class. And here is the virtual class. If you want to go to virtual class, just click in the virtual class, and here you can join session. There are two options pops up, and you can just listen only, or you can on your microphone. You can see who are present, the list of the present in the left corner, and by clicking here you just leave the virtual class. That's it. Now if you want to log out, you just cancel this window and scroll down, scroll up, and there is the logout. That's all.